Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Asa ta ba to karon yot?
We're going to Baguio and spend.
Baguio and
Spending our wealth.
spending our wealth. Hi sir. Ayun guys, so we're going to Pulag and let's see if nami clearing or wala.
Hello guys. Tired na us. Wala pa mi nag-climb, pero di ka po yun.
Hello guys. Padulong pa mi og orientation pero di naman nata mi mo-orient.
Wala mi na-orient. May nandiyan.
Mabuang nami.
Hello, guys, naku nakita ano guys, ano? Sila siya. Asit guys.
Hindi na pwede ma-edit.
Asit. Kuya, sa asit eh. Yan na, ano ba mo asubay mong mouth.
Wala, uy.
Ay, baho lagi.
Kuya was asset, uy, acetone.
Let's go.
Ari ko. Ari ko.
Let's go. Guys, na-asset guys. Isa ba?
Kasi sudan.
Ano? Dumplings.
Bulag.
Oh my. Basig by order?
Open daw. Open. So good afternoon guys. Nami sa transient. And as always, tura ko mga ano. Chineng! Dili pwede because the temple of the bad spirits are here in Pulag.
Yarn.
And di na to, wala ko ng isa ka bad spirit. Adri sa pinakata.
Are you trying
Nadara. Hi guys. Say hi to the vlog. What's luckily? So let's go guys.
Hello.
See you at the Sea of Clouds. Uy, sakit ito ano. Good morning. Ang taong lobo. Nanang taong lobo et. Say hi to the vlog po.
Ano to?
So the journey starts now.
From section 1. Okay guys, listen. Silat pa lang mo.
Ha?
Karon na yan.
Welcome to the Sea of Clouds, guys. Ayan guys, so we have seen the Sea of Clouds. Now, tuloy tayo sa summit. Let's go. Haba ng pila.
Nakarami na, unang-una pa lang naman.
So kato guys, kapoy kaayok kay slide. Pero look at the view. Grabe, super nice. Pero hago, 1 hour and 30 minutes daw from dito sa from dito sa tower until sa peak. Pero kaya na mo 30 minutes. Let's go. Ayun, so guys, finally, summit na. Oh, natabunan ang ano, but there. And the view of the summit, 360. Nice one. Whew! Highest peak in Luzon. Achieve. So kato guys, if nga nilang imuhang view always, no? Grabe. Pwede na ka magtanga. Like always. Pwede po diri bag-work. Ay, dili na pwede bag-work eh. Walay internet connection. So, kato. Pero, grabe. Nice kaayo. Siya jud, as far as sa tanang mga nasakaan ako na bundok, kani ang pinaka-gwapo yun. Kanang, pwede jud ka mag-relapse if gusto ni mo mag-relapse. Grabe. So, I highly recommend to go to Mount Pulag. Pero the cons is medyo daghan jud ang tao. Most especially karon na weekdays me naglaag. So, I recommend na you go on a weekday. I-ano niyo siya. If na may work pag alat mo og leave kay the traffic itself, grabe kadugay. Like, for the trek na it will take you siguro the normal around 2 to 3 hours, mag 4 hours siya because of the traffic. So, mas mayo siya pag weekdays. But then again, if you do have this view, di ba? Grabe. Very worth it. Makarelapse. Ayun. So, I do recommend guys na maglaag mo sa Mount Pulag. And I hope you do also have the same clearing as I've got mine. Thank you! Alright guys, additional snippets. Mossy Forest. So, before ka makasaka sa tower and sa peak, magisa ka ni Mossy Forest. Though, wala na ko siya na videoan kagabi. Kaya syempre, gabiin, no? Neat. Hindi mo siya ma-appreciate. So, this is what it looks like again in the morning. Ayan.
I'm up in the airplanes, looking for airplanes, destined to make a change. So I jump towards the sea.